Synthetic oil versus conventional oil. Which type for your car engine? Welcome back to Make Car Go. Today, we're diving deep into a conversation that matters. Synthetic oil versus conventional oil. It's the sort of debate that could determine the lifespan of your engine and the performance of your vehicle. This isn't merely about what's written on the oil aisle tag. It's a detailed exploration of chemistry, operational heat, and the most strategic choices you can make for your engine's longevity. Why does it matter? Because today's cars are more sophisticated than ever. They operate under extreme conditions, with hotter temps, tighter tolerances, and a reliance on oil that surpasses just lubrication. It plays a crucial role in cooling the components and serving as a hydraulic fluid for advanced technologies like variable valve timing, VVT. Let's simplify the complexities and arm you with clear rules from the experts. It's time to choose the right oil at the right price without rolling the dice on your engine's health. Let's dive into this oily matter. Part 1. The technical foundation, decoding viscosity. The first rule of thumb: always check your owner's manual or your oil cap. The manufacturer specifies the exact viscosity your engine was tailored to use, whether it's an older standard like 10W30 or a modern spec like 5W30. Why does that matter? Understanding the SAE viscosity code. When you spot a code like 5W30, you're viewing a dual rating system. The W stands for winter and tells you the oil's viscosity at low temps. A lower number like 0W or 5W flows quickly during cold starts, offering crucial protection during the moment of greatest wear. The second number, like 30, reveals the oil's behavior at standard operating temperature. A higher rating reflects thicker oil that holds up under hot, demanding conditions. Expert tip: don't stray from the viscosity your manufacturer recommends. Deviating can lead to ruined seals and compromised engine protection, translating into costly repairs. The synthetic chemistry advantage. Conventional oil, extracted straight from crude oil, features molecular chaos. Synthetic oil, however, is engineered in a lab for performance. Molecular uniformity. The molecules in synthetic oil are consistent. This symphony of uniformity means less internal friction and decreased heat generation. Thermal stability. Synthetics maintain their integrity under extreme heat, thriving amid the 250 degrees Fahrenheit plus temperatures typical in modern turbocharged vehicles. Conventional oil simply can't compete with this thermal breakdown resistance. Part 2. Engine longevity, age, leaks, and protection. Your choice of oil hinges heavily on the design and age of your engine. The conventional versus synthetic risk on older engines. If your car has always used conventional oil and has over 150,000 miles, here's the scoop: the conventional choice. Staying with conventional or a high mileage blend is safest. Conventional oil can create soft deposits that act as temporary seals for minor leaks and worn gaskets. The synthetic risk, the 240,000 rule. As experienced mechanics confirm, switching an old high mileage car, say one with 240,000 miles, to full synthetic can spell trouble. The powerful cleaning properties of the synthetic may scrub away those vital deposits, exposing pre-existing leak points. You might suddenly start leaking or burning oil more frequently. The solution: opt for a high-mileage blend. These contain conditioners that rejuvenate aging rubber seals and gaskets without the aggressive cleaning action of full synthetic. The modern engine synthetic mandate. Conversely, if your engine's oil cap instructs a super thin oil standard like 0W20 or 0W16, your choices narrow significantly. The requirement: you must use synthetic oil. As a matter of regulation and chemistry, the low viscosity oils required for modern fuel efficiency and tight tolerances are only available in synthetic form. Using anything else will lead to reduced lubrication, excessive wear, and catastrophic failure. Part 3. Performance and cost. The great debate. When comparing oil types, let's get practical about mileage and price. Understanding cost versus value and intervals. Yes, synthetic oil comes with a higher price tag, but the value is in the longevity. Extended change intervals. If you drive a lot, synthetic is an investment. You can safely push intervals to 7,000 to 10,000 miles. In contrast, a modern car running on conventional oil should be changed every 5,000 miles. The infrequent driver rule: if you drive very little, say 600 miles a year, switching to expensive synthetic is a waste of money. Oil degrades with time, not just mileage, meaning you still have to change it once a year regardless of type. The price hunter. Once you meet the required specification, e.g. 5W30 synthetic, look for the best price. Due to government regulations, any full synthetic oil sold in the US is perfectly fine. Don't be afraid to choose the $5 per quart synthetic over the $10 per quart brand. It's not wasting money, it's being smart. The driving conditions rule. Extended intervals are not a blanket guarantee. Highway success? You can only achieve the longest intervals, like 15,000 or 20,000 miles, if you do mainly highway driving, as there is less friction and wear at a steady speed. City failure: stop-and-go city driving is considered severe duty and must follow shorter shorter, more conservative change intervals, even with full synthetic. Part 4. Myths and Misunderstandings. With all this new knowledge, let's tackle some persistent myths circulating about oil types. Myth: all oils are the same. Not true. The chemistry behind each oil type considerably affects performance, protection, and engine longevity. Myth: synthetic oil causes leaks. This is a misunderstanding. Older vehicles may experience leaks if switching to synthetic because it cleans out deposits that were previously sealing minor gaps. But the oil itself does not cause leaks. Myth: oil doesn't impact fuel economy. In fact, the right oil can directly affect fuel efficiency. Less internal friction and the required use of thin oils like 0W20 equates to better gas mileage, contributing to significant savings at the pump over time. Part 5. Conclusion: your best choice. Choosing the correct oil for your car takes more than just glancing at prices. It requires fully considering your engine type, age, and specific lubricant needs. What did we learn today? Always refer to your owner's manual for viscosity specs like 10W30 or 0W20. Don't switch older, high-mileage engines to synthetic to prevent leaks. Find the lowest price synthetic that meets the required spec. It will still be perfectly fine. Adjust your change intervals to the real world. 7,000 to 10,000 miles for synthetic and shorter for city driving. Be skeptical of the oil myths that may lead you astray. Your engine deserves informed care. So when it's time for your next oil change, take a moment to consider all of the insights we've covered today. It could save you a lot more than just money. It could preserve the health of your engine for miles and miles ahead. Thanks for tuning in to Make Car Go. Until next time, drive safe and keep your engines running smoothly.